Like Romeo and Juliet, Othello is a fictional love tragedy focusing on two private individuals whose lives are not bound up with the fate of nations. The play is based on an Italian tale, a prosaic story of love and jealousy by Graldi Cinthoi, which Shakespeare romanticizes and dignifies. Compact, fast moving, tensely dramatic, emotionally compelling, and rising to a riveting, tragic conclusion with the murder of Desdemona by Othello followed by his suicide. It is an immensely effective piece of theatre written in dialogue, sometimes racy and conversational, which rises to great heights of eloquence. Othello describes the key characters Othello, Iago, and Desdemona, and the plot of the play. Before going to answer of the question, we should know the definition of a domestic tragedy. A domestic tragedy is a kind of tragedy which deals with the private life of ordinary people. Such kind of tragedies were very popular in the days of Shakespeare. These tragedies were presented on the stage with great effect. Othello is a fine domestic tragedy. This tragedy deals with the personal life of Othello and Desdemona. Othello is a domestic play in the sense that its subject is one of family or domestic issues. The issues that limited to a scope of a family and personal assistance of the hero, marital relation and happiness, sexual and jealousy and personal revenge, intrigue and conspiracy, friendship and betrayal. Othello is a domestic tragedy in the sense that it deals with domestic issues of a couple's married life, the husband's jealousy and the wife's ignorance, which leads to their disaster. Earlier dramas, the classical dramas of the Greek model, used to and universally significant human issues at large. William Shakespeare much narrowed down the subject matter in Othello to a more ordinary domestic issue. Even even when compared to his other tragic dramas, this play has a more common issue. Instead of dramatizing an issue of national or communal importance, Othello is essentially concerned with domesticity, the picture of a short lasting conjugal bliss and its disruption through unnatural jealousy becomes the major thematic aspects in the play. Othello Desdemona marriage begins violently, ends violently, and between these two violent points there is brief joy and much sorrow. The main purpose of tragedy is to show the change, the ebb and flow of life. The change from prosperity to adversity is not because of misunderstanding, personal rancor, and the inherent flow of the characters. The great tragic heroes of Shakespeare have some faults which herald their tragedies. Macbeth meets his tragedy because of his over ambitious nature. Hamlet's meets his tragedy is because of his indecision, and Othello's tragic fate is because of his credulous. Othello is considered to be a domestic tragedy. Shakespeare has tried to bring to focus the personal and private life of Othello. Macbeth and Hamlet weave round the royal themes, but in Othello, Shakespeare has presented the vicissitudes of the private and domestic life of Othello. Marital jealousy was a common theme in the Elizabeth domestic play. Othello is not out and out a domestic play, but an out a domestic play, but the domestic features dominates in this play, and which is why Othello is to be a domestic tragedy. The personality of Othello, his passion and status, and perilous adventurous for the services of the Duke do not box him to the fall wall of domestic world. But then his innate love for Desdemona and metamorphosis of his passionate love into doubt and suspicion about the purity, chastity, and fidelity of Desdemona have been highlighted in the tragedy. It appears that Shakespeare has tried to present the domestic milieu in this play. True, the pivot of the plot hangs on the marital love. The main conflict of Othello is the doubt and distrust which has occupied his mind. It is this doubt, suspicion, and distrust for Desdemona that poisoned the peace of Othello's mind. The entire progress of the drama hangs on the marital relation of Othello and Desdemona. Othello, a black Moor, wins the heart of Desdemona. The attraction of Othello and Desdemona for each other is natural. Othello is the most manly among men and Desdemona is womanly among women. Desdemona begins to love Othello, to know about the perilous and risky adventures of Othello. Othello, on the other hand, also falls in love with Desdemona because she pities him. Othello's runaway marriage with Desdemona angers, infuriates, and boils the blood of Brabantio to punish Othello. The runaway marriage in any society causes much ripples in the calm and cool life. Quite naturally, Brabantio's feelings were so much wounded that he did not ever think of escaping the victims unpunished. But Desdemona's frank and fearless statement before the dukes in accepting Othello as her husband shocks Brabantio. The marriage of Othello and Desdemona causes much grief and pangs to Roderigo. The marriage of Othello and Desdemona causes much grief and pangs to Roderigo. On the other hand, Iago, the perfect villain, begins to hatch plans to wreck the happy married life of Othello. The strategy of Iago begins to work. Iago tricks Roderigo out of his money, Cassio out of his honor, and Othello out of his love. Love and jealousy jostle each other in this tragedy. Iago utilizes his wife and requests her to steal away the handkerchief of Desdemona. That will be his great weapon to poison and to create suspicion in the mind of Othello, and Iago succeeds in his mission to destroy the citadel of happy married life of Othello. The entire play rotates around the personal and private life of the different characters. Roderigo is made to get the love of Desdemona. Iago is determined to feed the fat of his humiliation on Othello loves his wife but begins to doubt her fidelity and chastity. Brabantio's fatherly feelings are deeply wounded at the elopement of Desdemona, and Desdemona's love for her husband is abysmal. The entire action of the play is zeroed in the domestic life. The play has been called a domestic play, especially in the light of the fact that most serious tragedies before Shakespeare and even Shakespeare's other tragedies used to deal with more public issues. Plays like Oedipus Rex and even Shakespeare's own Hamlet and Macbeth were about kings and princes and general like Othello, but the action and issues in them was not limited to the individual's person of their personal and family lives. They used to be about kings and their kingdoms. The action and decisions of the characters affected the country and the people. But in the case of Othello, the main issue is limited to Othello's private life, his relation with his wife, his happiness and failure. The play is limited to the marital life and happiness of a husband and wife, and though the intruders and related people come into the action, their roles also do not lead out the effect of the interaction to people outside. Iago and Emilia's life are also affected by the main line of action related Desdemona and Othello, but that is also a family issue. Cassio's relationship with Othello is more domestic than professional. He was friendly and acted like a family member with Desdemona before her marriage, and he is like a brother to her and Othello. Roderigo is the only character who is not so much in the family structures of relation. Thus, we can say that Othello is quite different from the great tragedies Macbeth, Hamlet, and King Lear. In Othello, Shakespeare discusses the domestic life of characters and the tragic end of the hero because of his credulous nature. Love, marriage, doubt, distrust, jealousy, and intrigue have been thoroughly expressed through the different characters. Decidedly, Othello is considered to be a domestic tragedy. So, friend, this is my notes on Othello as a domestic tragedy. I hope you understand better. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe, and please press the bell icon for new video notification. Thank you.